So this thing weighs a lot. So in order to not kill myself trying to carry it up the stairs when there's nobody home, I'm gonna take it out of the box down here, and then hopefully I can carry it up in 2 pieces. Oh, this is cool. So those just fold out. All right then. But I'm not going to put it all the way together down here because then that wouldn't have saved me any time. So I'm going to head upstairs to find the spot for this, which is I already have a spot for it. It's going to replace my old spin bike. Alright, so welcome to my studio slash multi-purpose room slash guest room slash exercise room. This is where I've previously been working out. I have a spin bike here. I do like this spin bike. It's very configurable. It's got you know, all the normal things that a spin bike normally would. You've got resistance here. You've got a pretty aggressive grip on this. Should have put on shorts. Maybe I'll do that before I bring the other bike up here. But very comfortable bike for somebody who rides bikes a lot. For somebody who likes to cycle. It's got a really good position, really familiar position here. Problem is that it's really hard to do anything on this bike while you are working or while you are riding. So I can watch TV in here, but I really don't like watching TV, and it's hard to watch YouTube because there's no good way to sort of surf around. I have in the past put a tablet right here so that I can watch, but it's a pain, and so I'm happy to be replacing this, and I'm curious as to how good of an exercise or how good of exercise I'll be able to get out of the new Flexispot desk bike while I'm doing stuff. So let's get it set up so we can see. CES 2018 Innovation Award. Alright, so we're back. Shorts on this time. I think all I gotta do is put this into that hole. Yep, that felt good. There's a bolt downstairs that I saw. I think I could find that. And I've got my keyboard and mouse for my computer here. And this has got to come way up. I assume that's a thing that can happen. It is. Maybe that was too far up. Let's It's one of those, like I got to sit on it to move it. It's like a desk chair or something. Alright. Alright, so that's like 0 resistance. Nothing. That's probably not good. Oh, now I'm feeling it. Alright. So it looks like, whew. It's got easy dial-up resistance. Right? And this is pretty comfy. Let's see, this can come back a lot. I don't know if I want it back that far, but it's kind of nice to get that in place there. Is it all the way up? Oh, there we go. So that's as far as it can go that way. Oh, I can go up further. All right, there you go. So that feels about right. That feels good to me. So the plan is, this is where I can come. I can watch YouTube videos to do some research for my channel. I can write scripts. I'm probably not going to record videos while I'm writing here, but gets me moving a little bit. Let's see what my heart rate says here. What are we going to call this? We're going to call this an indoor cycle, because it is. 3, 2, 1. And we're looking at 113 beats per minute, and we can certainly go harder than that while we're working. Crank it up a little bit. You can type. Woo! I don't think I could work like this. I don't think I could work with that high. I can definitely do this. This is better. 118, 120. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. I'm not going to do the review. I'm not going to publish a review. It's let's see. It's February 12th right now. I'm going to give this at least a week of use before I write a script for it, because I've never used it. I haven't used it yet. Right? I'm here. I'm writing it for the first time. I want to get some time in with it. Compare it to the spin bike. Compare the exercise to the spin bike. But it doesn't have to be as good as the spin bike for exercise. What it has to do is it has to be convenient enough for me to do it, and I have to be able to do this while I'm doing something else. Because if I can't, then there's no point in either of them, right? Because I wasn't using the spin bike before because I couldn't find any time to do that. So we'll see.